Yeah, that looks like just the right place to start. So instead of picking a niche, instead of looking around trying to decide what to do, how about servicing all the niches? How about specializing? And instead of you doing the work, you just got to cut off the people doing the work. This is called Fiverr Profit Builder. I'm Andrew Marder from marketingsharks.com. That's the link in the video description. It'll take you to my site. You click the product box, you can grab this. It's $12.95. If you wait until that website loads up, not my site, but when you click the product box, you get to go to the site. Then wait for the product box or the website, to load up. Run your cursor to the upper right-hand corner. Up pops a $2 off discount coupon, brings it down to $10.95. And what is this going to be? Well, Fiverr has like 7 million people at it. They're doing a big banner, booming business. And Fiverr, if you're not familiar with it, it offers to do services for $5. For $5, I'll record my voice, I'll shoot a picture, I'll write you a story, whatever kind of thing that they want to do. There's all sorts of stuff like that. Now, this is making a competing site. And again, just remember what I just said with the discount, $10.95. And what you're going to really be blown away by, let's go up and give you a little look in here. This is the crazy guy at the bottom of this all. Here you go. One-click software creates profitable Fiverr affiliate sites, make money 24/7 with built-in traffic generation, loaded with the top Fiverr gigs and courses on trending niches. So you're going to be able to pick. Here we go. Done for you money making. It's ready to start within seconds. Pick a name and you're off. I think they say 3 clicks. Create gig and course sites for 3.4 million hungry buyers. Guaranteed instant approval to affiliate program. There's fresh content. It's SEO optimized. There's a traffic tool that generates free traffic. You get paid on every sale you do for a Fiverr gig or a course. And you have banner and text ads to promote any offer. So you can offer, think resume writing services, think work from home kind of things. You can get on ClickBank. You do all that. Free premium hosting. The whole thing's put together. Everything's cloud-based. You click it, create these sites, and it's really you deciding the name and the stuff you're going to specialize in. So maybe you're going to be a welding site. Maybe you're going to do word processing. Maybe you're going to do, like was I saying, voiceover work. So you specialize into one of those. Now you're not Fiverr. You're voiceover monster. I don't know, I'm just grabbing the first thing that popped into my head, but you see what I'm saying? Now you're a competing group that just focuses in on those gigs, and you can still spin off and make traffic, sales, affiliate sales, and also keep going with the other affiliate programs you can sort of link in that are related to what you're doing. So I'm going to give you the link in the video description. It'll take you to my site. marketingsharks.com. You click the product box, it'll bring you here. I wanted to show you, there's 7 million buyers on Fiverr, so there's lots of stuff going on. Everybody's happy with it. And I think I wanted to go a little bit further. You know what the Fiverr things look like. So you're grabbing some of that, your own Fiverr affiliate. Here you go. You're going to get everything put together. And I think what I'm looking for is there. That was a long time to scroll through to get to this. 3 clicks launches it, 100% beginner friendly. Pick a name for your site and have it built in seconds. Guaranteed instant approval to affiliate programs. Create gigs and course sites for over 3.4 million hungry buyers. In 1 click, it creates a profitable Fiverr affiliate site. Fresh content built in, SEO optimized blog, free unlimited traffic from Google, other search engines, sharing on 20 plus top social media networks, Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, etc. You can add in banner ads. You've got the hosting included. It's completely customizable. You can add in your own branding, your image, your logo, change the site colors, and the content. And really the way you customize it is you select which services, gigs, or courses is more like Udemy kind of stuff, but what you're going to display on your site. Millions of possible combinations make it uniquely yours, and that's what you're looking for. You don't want to be Fiverr. You want to be just a slice of Fiverr and do it every bit as well as they do, maybe better. And like I say, you're the word processing guy, you're the voiceover guy, you're the graphics guy, and so on. So take a look. It's $10.95. Everything's hosted. You're ready to go in business. And because of the success that's already there with Fiverr, you buy a copy of this. And what are you going to look like? This is where we started. There you go. Click the link in the video description. It'll take you to my site at marketingsharks.com. Then click the product box and you grab a copy of Fiverr Profit Builder, fresh out this morning. I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. Enjoy.